The GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker is a unique and innovative appliance that brings the art of smoking food indoors, offering convenience without sacrificing the rich, smoky flavors typically associated with outdoor barbecuing. After thoroughly testing this smoker, I can confidently say that it's a game changer for anyone who loves smoked food but lacks the outdoor space or time to manage a traditional smoker. Here's a comprehensive review of its features, design, performance, energy efficiency, and how it enhances the taste of food. Features. The GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker is packed with features that make smoking indoors not only possible but easy and efficient. One of the standout innovations is active smoke filtration, which ensures that while your food gets infused with real wood smoke, your kitchen remains free from the smoky haze typically associated with outdoor smokers. This system captures and filters smoke, turning it into warm air that dissipates without lingering odors. Another key feature is the flavorful smoke generation system, which uses wood pellets to generate smoke. The smoker precisely controls pellet temperature to release aromatic compounds that enhance the flavor of your food. You can choose from 5 adjustable smoke settings to customize the intensity of the smoke, whether you want just a hint or a full-bodied barbecue flavor. The smoker also includes 6 preset cooking modes for popular dishes like brisket, pork ribs, pork butt, chicken wings, chicken breast, and salmon. For more flexibility, there's a custom mode where you can adjust both temperature and smoke levels manually. The built-in temperature probe ensures precise cooking by constantly monitoring the internal temperature of your food. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the smoker remotely using the SmartHQ app, adjusting settings or checking on your food's progress from anywhere. It also integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Design. In terms of design, the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker is sleek and modern. It resembles a high-end toaster oven but is slightly larger, measuring about 20 inches in depth and 16 inches in width and height. The glass front door allows you to easily monitor your food without opening it and losing heat or smoke. Inside, there are 3 removable racks that offer ample space for smoking different cuts of meat or vegetables. It can handle up to 40 chicken wings or a 14-pound pork but at once. However, larger cuts like brisket may need to be trimmed to fit inside comfortably. The control panel is intuitive, featuring a large digital display and easy-to-navigate buttons along with a dial for selecting temperature and smoke levels. Performance. When it comes to performance, this indoor smoker delivers impressive results. I tested it on various meats: ribs, brisket, chicken wings, and was consistently pleased with how well it infused smoky flavor into each dish. The precision temperature control allows you to maintain consistent heat throughout the cooking process, which is crucial for achieving tender meats. However, there are some trade-offs compared to traditional outdoor smokers. While shorter cook times, like for chicken wings, resulted in perfectly smoked and tender meat, longer cooks, like brisket, required some trial and error to get right. My first brisket came out flavorful but slightly chewy due to insufficient tenderness, a common challenge when smoking indoors at lower temperatures. That said, after experimenting with different settings over several sessions, I found ways to improve the texture by adjusting smoke levels and extending cooking times. The ability to monitor and control the smoker through the app or via voice commands was incredibly convenient. I could check on my food's progress without having to constantly hover over it in the kitchen. Energy efficiency. One of the most appealing aspects of this indoor smoker is its energy efficiency. Unlike traditional outdoor smokers that can consume significant amounts of wood pellets or charcoal over long cooking periods, this unit uses only a fraction of that fuel while still delivering comparable flavor results. This makes it not only more convenient but also more cost-effective for frequent use. The smoker's design optimizes energy usage by separating the heat source for burning pellets from the one used for cooking food. This allows for precise control over both cooking temperature and smoke production without wasting energy. Additionally, its low power consumption means you won't see a significant increase in your electricity bills even if you use it regularly. Food taste. Now on to what really matters. How does the food taste? In short, fantastic. The GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker excels at infusing rich wood-smoked flavors into meats, vegetables, and even desserts like peach cobbler. I experimented with different types of wood pellets, applewood for chicken wings and hickory for ribs, and each imparted distinct flavors that elevated my dishes beyond what I could achieve with standard indoor cooking methods. The 5 adjustable smoke settings allow you to customize how much smoke flavor you want in your food. For shorter cook times, like chicken wings, I found that using a medium smoke setting provided just enough flavor without overpowering the dish. For longer cooks, like ribs, cranking up the smoke level resulted in deep barbecue flavors that rivaled those from outdoor smokers. That said, while shorter cook times produced perfectly smoked and tender meat every time, longer cooks like brisket required some adjustments to achieve optimal tenderness. Ease of use. One of my favorite aspects of this smoker is how user-friendly it is even for someone who isn't an experienced pit master. The 6 preset functions take much of the guesswork out of smoking popular dishes like ribs or salmon. For those who want more control over their cooking process, like myself, the custom settings allow you to fine-tune everything from temperature to smoke intensity. The cleanup process is also relatively painless thanks to its built-in pellet capture system that extinguishes used pellets in water and collects them in a waste bin for easy disposal. 1. The removable racks and drip trays are dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup quick and hassle-free. 8. Limitations. While there's much to love about this smoker, there are some limitations worth noting. Limited capacity. If you're planning on feeding a large crowd or smoking large cuts of meat like full-sized briskets or multiple racks of ribs at once, you may find yourself running out of space. Low temperature range. With a maximum temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit and minimum around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, this smoker isn't versatile enough for high-heat grilling or cold smoking items like cheese. Smart features could be improved. While functional, I found that the app could benefit from more advanced features like automatic adjustments based on meat type/size or more detailed recipe guidance. So, should you buy it? Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed by the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. It provides an excellent solution for those who love smoked foods but don't have access to outdoor space or don't want to deal with traditional smokers' hassle. The combination of smart technology such as Wi-Fi connectivity and app control along with ease-of-use features like presets make it an appealing choice for anyone looking to bring barbecue flavors into their kitchen year-round. While it may not fully replicate traditional outdoor smoking in terms of meat tenderness, especially for longer cooks, it's still an innovative appliance that delivers great flavor without filling your home with smoke, and that's something any barbecue lover can appreciate.